Hello students, I am Mrs. Nalini Lothe. Today we shall see the exercise on changing statements into rhetorical questions. Here I have taken the examples from the textbook of 12th standard. Here I have taken 15 examples from prose section. Dear students, before this we studied how to change rhetorical questions into statement and statements into rhetorical questions. In the previous video, I gave you the test on rhetorical questions for 20 marks. The links of both the videos are given in the description box. Also see the links of all the grammar topics in the description box. All of you know that the rhetorical questions are used not to get answer, but they are used for emphatic statement. First example, there is no law that compels us to say please. This is a statement. How to change this statement into rhetorical question? Is there law or any law that compels us to say please? See here, the statement is negative. So, you have to make the rhetorical question affirmative. To study the structures of questions and statements, watch the video of kinds of sentences on my channel. Second sentence, it was a question of please. Here the rhetorical question will be, wasn't it a question of please? Third, this does not mean that the damages are negligible. Here the rhetorical question is, does this mean that the damages are negligible? See here, the statement is negative, so the question will be affirmative. In the statement there is not, here you have to remove not. Fourth, no court could administer a law which governed our social civilities. Here the answer is, could any court administer a law which governed our social civilities? The statement is negative, so rhetorical question will be affirmative. Here you have to remove no. The statement is changed into rhetorical question, so you have to take the helping verb first, then subject, then main verb and then other words. In the ending, you have to give question mark. Fifth sentence, the law is a necessary institution for a society. Here the rhetorical question is, isn't the law a necessary institution for a society? Then sixth, this color scheme never failed. This statement is negative because there is never. If there is never in the statement, you have to use ever in rhetorical question. This statement is in simple past tense, so you have to take did in rhetorical question. Because here is no helping verb. See here, the rhetorical question will be, did this color scheme ever fail? When we use did, you have to take only first form of verb. So here we have taken fail. Seventh, he was in a state of panic. Here the rhetorical question is, wasn't he in a state of panic? Eighth, big data analytics is a complex process. Here the answer is, isn't big data analytics a complex process? Ninth, it is a genie in our hands. Here the answer is, isn't it a genie in our hands? 10th, it lies in our hands to make the optimum use of big data. See here, the sentence is quite long, but you have to think about only subject and verb. Here it is subject, lies is verb. In the statement, simple present tense is used. So, in rhetorical question, you have to take the helping verb do or does. Here, it is a subject, so you have to take the helping verb does. The statement is affirmative, so the question will be negative. So, how will be the rhetorical question? Doesn't it lie in our hands to make the optimum use of big data? Though the sentence is long, it is very easy to change into rhetorical question because you have to think about only subject and verb. 11th, there was no other soul to listen to my sound in this wilderness. Here the rhetorical question is, Was there any other soul to listen to my sound in this wilderness? See here in the statement, if there is no, you have to use any in rhetorical question. 12th, I had no other way to climb the hillock before me. Here the answer is, had I any other way to climb the hillock before me? 13th, the animals are paying me back. Here the answer is, aren't the animals paying me back? 14th, the forests have taught me many things. Here the rhetorical question is, haven't the forests taught me many things? 15th, it is very difficult to become a master or an expert in all the subjects. Here the statement is affirmative, so the question will be negative. In the statement, it is subject and is verb. While changing the statement into rhetorical question, you have to interchange the place of subject and verb. Here, the statement is affirmative, so the question will be negative. How to make the rhetorical question? Isn't it very difficult to become a master or an expert in all the subjects? Dear students, I hope you have understood all the examples here. Watch the upcoming videos on other grammar topics. Watch the other videos of 12th standard on prose section, poetry section, novel section and writing skill on my channel.